In this video, I will show you how to fix the FACEIT TPM Attestation Not Ready error on Windows. First, we need to check if TPM is available and detected by Windows. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run window. Type tpm.msc and press Enter. A new window will open. Look at the status message in the middle of the screen. If it says the TPM is ready for use, then the TPM is already enabled. If it says TPM is not found or not ready, then it is disabled in the BIOS, and we need to turn it on. Now restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. You usually do this by pressing the Delete key, F2, F10, or F12 while the computer is starting. The key depends on your motherboard, so watch the screen during boot. Once you are in the BIOS, look for Advanced Settings, Advanced BIOS Settings, or Chipset Settings. Every motherboard has its own settings. You will have to look in different places to find the option. On AMD systems, TPM is usually called FTPM. This stands for Firmware TPM. Find the FTPM option and set it to Enabled. On Intel systems, TPM is usually called PTT. Find Intel PTT and enable it. After enabling TPM, do not exit yet. You also need to enable Secure Boot. Go to System Settings, Boot Settings, or Security Settings in the BIOS. Find Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. If Secure Boot is disabled, FACEIT will still show the error. Once both TPM and Secure Boot are enabled, save your changes and exit the BIOS. Your system will restart. Now launch FACEIT, and the TPM Attestation Not Ready error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.